Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alfira Kidang, Makassar Muhammadiyah University, Student Department of Management, Faculties of Economic and Business. I will present my paper entitled The Effect of Working Condition and Leadership Style on the Performance of Babinsa Koramil Zevens, Makassar City. I am the author of Alfira Kidang, an affiliate of Najib Kasim and Abdul Talib. Now, it's time to present the paper. Babinsa is an abbreviation of Bintara Pembina Desa, a member of the Indonesian Army who serve at the village level to assist in territorial development and assist coordination between the community and the governments. Babinsa perform is very important in maintaining stability and security in its area, as well as in supporting the development and welfare of the local community. Babinsa is responsible for establishing good relations with the community, providing assistance and understanding of various government programs, the providing information and supervision of the security situation in its area. By carrying out its duties well, Babinsa can be a bridge between the community and the government and help improve the quality of life in the village. And Koramil 07 Makassar City is the one of the unit under the Military Ryan Command in the Makassar City area. Koramil is tasked with carrying out territorial guide and supervision in the area. Koramil duties include maintaining security and orders, as well as community development in this residence and supporting development and at the local level. So there are several problems that occurs. First, the quantity of Babinsa has problem in achieving the target of visiting residents' homes every week. Babinsa can only visit half of the number set with the space time. The second problem is the quality of Babinsa in providing counseling to residents about government programs or carrying out certain tasks. Babinsa has problems in providing accurate and precise information to residents. The third problem, the efficiency occurs in Babinsa performance is time efficiency in carrying out daily. The fourth problem, Babinsa initiative in less proficient in identifying problems in their area and finding solution or step to overcome. Result and discussion. Validity test. Validation test is conducted by comparing the calculated R value for each statement item that appears in the total correlation column for modified item. With the R table, the minimum required the quality is a sample of 60 Babinsa with R table 0,214. Therefore, is there a correlation between item with a total score of less than 0,214, the item in the statement is declared invalid. Table 4.1 Validity test of working condition, leadership style, and Babinsa performance variables. Reliability test. In the table 4.1, we can see it's a data reliability test result. A questionnaire is said to be credible if a person and his words are always consistent over time. The technique that can be used to measure the level of a Cronbach alpha, which comparing the alpha value with the standard Cronbach alpha factor above 0,60 indication the state of the device, also the closer to 1, the higher the consistency of internal reliability. The table above show that the Cronbach alpha value show that all variables are greater than 0,60. So it can be concluded that the questionnaire used for all variables can be relied on as a measuring tool for the variables. Multiple linear regression equation analysis. Based on the result of the linear equation test above, the constant value obtained in 20,694, meaning that if X1 working condition and X2 leadership style do not change or have a value of 0, then W variable Babinsa performance remains at 20,694. The regression coefficient value of working condition is 0,263, so if every 1 unit increase in working condition is expected to increase Babinsa performance by 0,263, assuming other variables remain constant. The standard coefficient shows the strength and direction of the relationship. The beta value of 0,300 indicates that working conditions have a positive and moderate influence of Babinsa performance. That means that the better the working condition, the better of Babinsa performance. Based on the normal image of the PP plot of regression, it can be explained hypothesis test result. Based on the table of by observation, the rows column T and psi can be explained as follows. 1. The influence of working condition variables of Babinsa performance. 1. The working condition variable X1 has a significant effect on the performance of Babinsa. This can be seen from the significant working condition X1 0,013 lebih besar dari 0,05 and the calculated T value is greater than the T table value. It's 2,571 lebih besar dari 1,671. Then H0 is directed and H1 is accepted. So the hypothesis that states there is an effect of working condition on the performance of Babinsa. 2. The influence of leadership style on Babinsa performance. H2. The leadership style variable X2 has no significant effect on the performance of Babinsa. This can be seen from the significant leadership style. 0,756 lebih besar dari 0,5 and the calculated T value is smaller than the T table value. 0,312 lebih kecil dari 1,671. Then H0 is accepted and H2 is rejected. So the hypothesis that states there is no influence of leadership style on the performance of Babinsa.